Things are getting a little shaky out there. We've got new tariffs hitting goods from over 100 countries, and that means higher prices. Everyday essentials might suddenly cost a lot more and become harder to find. I'm all about being prepared and taking control of our own situations. We're going to break down 10 essential categories of products you should consider stocking up on now, whether you're trying to save money, get ahead of potential shortages, or be more self-reliant. This list has got you covered. We're about to launch our brand new self-sufficient backyard course. Check out the link in the description below. Sign up to be notified as soon as it goes live and snag a free download guide just for signing up. All right, let's dive into those 10 categories. Let's kick things off with personal hygiene products. Think soap, toothpaste, toothbrushes, shampoo, conditioner, deodorant, razors, shaving cream, feminine hygiene products, toilet paper, and tissues. These are essentials with a long shelf life, perfect for stocking up on. Imagine realizing you're out of toothpaste, but the price has doubled since you last bought it. By stocking up now, you're locking in today's prices and creating a buffer against potential shortages. Remember the early days of the pandemic? Empty shelves, long lines, and stress. Having a stockpile means you won't have to scramble when everyone else is. Plus, it's convenient. Out of shampoo? No problem, you've got extra. Stocking up on personal hygiene products is one of the easiest and most effective ways to prepare. You don't need a lot of space, and you can start small. Just grab an extra item or two each time you go shopping. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next up, let's talk about your health. Having a well-stocked first aid kit and essential medications is non-negotiable. With tariffs and price hikes looming, now's the time to prepare. A comprehensive first aid kit can handle everything from minor cuts to serious injuries. Think bandages, gauze, antiseptic, pain relievers, antihistamines, burn cream, tweezers, and scissors. Don't forget personal prescriptions. Talk to your doctor about ordering extra. In disrupted supply chains, even basic medications could become a challenge. Having these supplies on hand gives peace of mind and is practical for everyday mishaps. A well-stocked first aid kit is invaluable, and over-the-counter medications can save you a trip to the store. Build that first aid kit, talk to your doctor, and rest assured knowing you're prepared. Staying connected is about safety and security. With tariffs threatening to drive up prices, it's crucial to be proactive. Stock up on power banks to keep your devices charged during a power outage. Get dedicated flashlights and headlamps for each household member, and don't forget extra batteries. Consider a weather radio, a hand crank or solar-powered charger, and a small portable power station. Don't overlook phone charging cables, surge protectors, adapters, and headphones. Being prepared isn't about paranoia. It's about sensible steps for safety and well-being. Stock up on essential electronics and accessories now to face any challenges. Vehicle essentials. Stay on the road, no matter what. A minor car problem can quickly turn into a major headache during supply chain disruptions. Stock up on essential vehicle parts and maintenance supplies now. Start with motor oil, oil filters, wiper blades, air filters, and coolant. Consider items that could leave you stranded, like a spare tire, jumper cables, and a basic toolkit. Don't forget spares for blown fuses or burnt-out headlight bulbs. Learning basic car maintenance can be valuable and save you money. Being prepared isn't about being a mechanic. It's about handling minor setbacks without relying on strained supply chains. Dress for success and survival. Durable clothing and footwear. We're talking about durable, functional clothing and footwear that can withstand the test of time. Invest in quality over quantity to prepare for potential price hikes and shortages. Essential items include sturdy work boots, waterproof rain gear, warm winter coats, thermal underwear, durable socks, gloves, heavy-duty pants, and overalls. Choose items made from durable materials like wool, cotton, or high-tech synthetics. Proper footwear is essential for everything from yard work to navigating rough terrain. Focus on practicality and durability, not building a survivalist's wardrobe. Investing in quality clothing and footwear now saves money in the long run. Cleaning supplies. Keeping it clean when it counts. Maintaining a clean and hygienic home is more important than ever. Stocking up on household cleaning products now can save you money and hassle. Basic cleaning supplies like laundry detergent, dish soap, bleach, disinfectants, surface cleaners, sponges, scrubbers, gloves, and trash bags are essential. Focus on multi-purpose cleaners to reduce the need for multiple specialized products. Stocking up doesn't have to be complicated or expensive. Pick up 1 or 2 extra items each time you shop. Maintaining a clean home protects your health and the health of your family. Stock up on essential cleaning supplies now for a cleaner, healthier, and more secure future. Tools and hardware. Be your own handyman. Things break and fixing them can be more expensive and time-consuming during economic uncertainty. Be prepared with a basic toolkit and essential hardware. Start with screwdrivers, a hammer, pliers, a tape measure, a utility knife, and a level. Stock up on screws, nails, nuts, bolts, washers, duct tape, electrical tape, plumber's tape, caulk, superglue, and epoxy. Focus on tools and materials for common household repairs. Being able to handle minor repairs yourself saves money and hassle. You don't need to be a master plumber or electrician, just prepared for simple tasks. Food staples. From pantry to plate, be prepared. Having a well-stocked pantry provides sustenance and peace of mind. Focus on non-perishable items with a long shelf life and essential nutrients. Start with rice, oats, pasta, flour, beans, lentils, canned goods, powdered milk, cooking oils, sugar, salt, spices, and honey. Consider items that require minimal cooking or can be prepared without electricity, like freeze-dried meals, MREs, granola bars, nut butters, and dried fruits. Building a food stockpile doesn't have to be overwhelming. Start small and gradually add items. Think of it as an investment in your future well-being. A well-stocked pantry can offer peace of mind during times of uncertainty. Power up. Energy resilience in uncertain times. Reliable access to electricity is often taken for granted, but power outages can disrupt our lives. Consider investing in power backup and energy resilience solutions for your home. Start with essential power needs: lighting, refrigeration, communication, and potentially cooking. Stock up on LED light bulbs and consider solar-powered options for outdoor lighting. A generator might be a worthwhile investment to keep your refrigerator running during an outage. Explore solar panels for a basic level of energy independence. Even a small solar panel setup can provide enough power for essential appliances or charging devices. Home essentials, the little things that make a big difference. It's easy to focus on big-ticket items, but everyday essentials can make a real difference. Stock up on light bulbs, air filters, water filters, and extra batteries for smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Consider items that maintain a comfortable living environment, like extension cords, duct tape, zip ties, garbage bags, and a basic sewing kit. These seemingly insignificant items can quickly become major inconveniences when they're gone. Having a few extra on hand can mean the difference between a well-lit home and stumbling around in the dark. These are the unsung heroes of any emergency preparedness kit. They can solve a surprising number of problems in a pinch. The goal isn't to send you into a frenzy of prepping. It's about recognizing that the world is changing and taking proactive steps to increase our self-reliance. This isn't about fear-mongering, it's about empowerment. By taking control of our preparedness, we're taking control of our own well-being. We're choosing to be proactive rather than reactive. We're choosing to be part of the solution, not the problem. Take a deep breath, start small, and gradually incorporate these preparedness steps into your life. Build that stockpile, learn those skills, and share this information with your friends and family. Preparedness is a community effort.